Ice fishers, before you make a trek out onto a frozen field, you might want to take some steps to make sure the ice is safe enough. ABC 22's Isabel Schoeneman met with a fish and wildlife specialist on Lake Bomoseen and lets us know what to keep in mind.
It's something Vermont anglers look forward to every year, but with a warmer December, Fish and Wildlife officials say you need to keep ice safety at the forefront of your mind. That's why I'm joined by Corey Hart. He's going to tell us how to make sure you're being safe on the ice.
Yeah, so conditions really vary across the state right now, but it really comes down to knowing how to check ice conditions when you go out there. The basic safety principles we follow are all the same. So the very first thing we do is, what I have right here is something called a spud bar. So whenever I'm out there, I always want to make sure that I'm walking with this. And what I'm doing is, as I take a step forward, I'm going to put that in the ice. If that goes through, go back.
On Lake Bomoseen in Castleton this Wednesday afternoon, Hart says at least 4 inches of ice anywhere is ideal to hold the weight of a person. But he notes, make sure you only measure the clear ice.
When this snow that we're standing on right now, when we get that warm up that coming, this is going to melt down and refreeze, and it's going to create what's called cloudy ice, and it's going to have a lot of bubbles in it, and we don't want to measure that. That's a lot weaker.
A safety device in case an angler does fall through, ice picks, which he says should be worn around your neck at all times.
So if I was to fall through, these are going to allow me to pull myself out. So if I was to push down on this, there's a spike that comes out, and I can quite literally claw my way back onto the ice.
Hart says to remember your throw rope in case another angler gets into some trouble.
Throwing the throw rope from the shore allows me to safely access them, get them back to safety.
Hart explains Lake Bomoseen only froze over in the last week. He says ice conditions vary across the state, noting Lake Champlain has a lot of new ice, while the Northeast Kingdom has been frozen for some time.
All ice isn't the same. I might have 4 inches here. I could walk over that way a little bit and be on a 2 inches.
That's where Hart says local bait shops come into play. He says they will have up-to-date information from the everyday angler. In Castleton, Isabel Schoeneman, ABC 22 News.